guys, so I want to change the start-stop button on this car. Sorry, I have a little screwdriver here. And it's out. This is a button. This is the replacement. Just you need to respect this guide from here. Take out the key and put it with the guide in that hole like that, and just press the button and that's it. And the button is new. That's it, guys. BMW E60.